Imagine you are traveling by train in Japan. Outside the window, the scenery slowly passes by. At a quiet station, you find a small bento box. This little lunchbox has a special name, ekiben. It's a word you often hear when talking about train travel in Japan. First, eki. It means station. Next, ben. It comes from bento, meaning bento box. So, ekiben literally means a bento sold at a train station. Long ago in Japan, train travel slowly became part of everyday life. People began taking long journeys by train. But back then, there were no convenience stores like today. Buying food during the trip was not always easy. So travelers needed something simple, easy to carry, and easy to eat on the train. There are several stories about the first ekiben. One well-known story begins in 1885 at Utsunomiya Station. At that station, travelers were said to have bought simple food, 2 rice balls and pickled radish. The first ekiben was not fancy. It was just a small, simple meal for hungry travelers on a long journey. But over time, each station began to create its own special local bento. At some stations, bento carried the taste of the sea. At others, there were bento boxes with meat or special bento made with local ingredients. Today in Japan, ekiben is more than just a lunchbox. It brings to mind the view from the train window, the feeling of a new station, and the taste of a local place. A small bento sold at a station became a symbol of Japanese train travel. This is the story of ekiben, the taste of a journey. Next time you travel by train in Japan, maybe you will remember this little word. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Japanese story.